How to reset PC without losing personal data. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to your start menu, go to settings. After that, go to privacy and security. Scroll down and then you should find an option of reset. If you cannot find it here, simply search for reset this PC. Open this. Now, go to reset PC. After that, select keep my files and then your PC will be reset, but your personal belongings or your personal data will not be removed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.